Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make cupcakes. First, let's gather our simple ingredients for a perfect batch of 12 to 14 cupcakes. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Don't forget 1/2 cup of softened, unsalted butter, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of milk, and a tiny pinch of salt. These basic items will create a wonderfully moist and fluffy cupcake base. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter and sugar for about 2 to 3 minutes until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in the vanilla extract. Gradually add your dry ingredients, alternating with the milk, starting and ending with the flour mixture. Mix until just combined, being careful not to overmix. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a standard 12-cup muffin tin with paper liners. Evenly divide your cupcake batter among the liners, filling each about 2/3 full. Bake for approximately 18 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let them cool in the pan for a few minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. For the grand finale, let's make Nick DiGiovanni's crispy magic buttercream. Whisk 2 egg whites and 2/3 cup of granulated sugar over simmering water for 5 to 7 minutes until hot. Beat this in a stand mixer for 6 to 8 minutes until cool. Gradually add 1 1/2 cups of room temperature butter, beating until light and fluffy. Finally, mix in 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/3 cups of confectioner's sugar, and 2 tablespoons of whole milk until smooth and satiny. This makes enough for about 12 cupcakes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.